which that was a lot. Oops.
She wanna woo nigga, she wanna fight with the woo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. So happy Sunday. In today's video, I will be showing you guys a little review of the NASSIF by NASSIF skincare. They sent me some of their products and I am happy to try them because you guys know I'm a skincare junkie. I might not show it too much here on my channel, but I really love skincare. To me, that's like the base of having a good makeup. So if you guys want to see the results, how I like them and everything, then keep on watching. The setup is a little bit different because obviously we're doing my skincare. Today I will be using a skincare set or line from NASSIF by NASSIF. I don't really know exactly how you pronounce the name, but that's what we're using today. They have an exfoliating cleanser and a mask in one, and then they have a skin refining essence, which is this one right here, and then they also have the hydro cream and moisturizer. So my face is very much so clean. I don't have any makeup to remove or anything because I really just got out the shower. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start with the Get Woke exfoliating cleanser plus mask. So I guess you can use it as a cleanser, and if you want to use it as a mask, you just leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. That's what it says in the back. I'm going to use it as a cleanser today. I will not be doing a mask because I did a mask yesterday and I don't like to do masks too often to my skin. Let me see. It says here it's good for all skin types. You can use it morning and night, and you just do it with in circular motions. I got this little beauty, okay, in PR. So this is the Rose Skin Co. This is like a brush, and I really like to use this on my skin. I've been using it, and baby, it gets my skin squeaky clean, and it just feels so freaking good. So I might be using this instead, but I don't know. So I'm just going to dab some water on my face first, just to moisten my face. And then, I look so tired. I'm tired, okay, it's early. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingertips. A little bit, which that was a lot. Oops. I'm gonna do like this. It's definitely that. It gives you like clay feeling and smell. I will definitely see how this would be a great mask. Now I'm gonna take the Rose Skin Co. brush. This has a specific name. I just don't remember the name of it right now. Like when I figure it out, I'm gonna put it on the screen right here so you guys can, you know, find it. You tap it on, it turns on, and then you have the minus and plus button so you can decide the speed. I like to have it on the fastest one, and then I'm just gonna go circular motions on my face. If you guys don't have a brush or anything like that, obviously just use your hands. Your face will still be clean, but I will absolutely recommend to invest in some type of facial brush to cleanse your face, just because it's cleaner and it just improves your skin a lot, like a lot, okay? As you can see, it doesn't really absorb much of the product. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna dab my face dry with a towel, face towel. Now, I recommend to use paper towel, just because towels do accumulate dirt and bacteria and stuff like that. So me personally, I have a whole bunch of these towels, so I dab my face dry with my towel, but I switch out my towel every time I cleanse my face. So I have a lot of small towels. Like I use this towel one time. Like I cleanse it right now. Like I use it right now to dry my face. And then tonight when I'm gonna wash my face again, I use a new towel just because it accumulates so much dirt and bacteria. I don't think we are really aware of that. If you don't want to have so much laundry and stuff like that, and you maybe don't have so many, you know, small towels to be changing it every time you're going to cleanse your face, I would definitely highly recommend to use paper towel, because you can just use it, throw it away, you know, super simple and easy. The essence, I will probably use it on a little cotton pad, but I don't have it right here right now. I kind of run out, so I'm just going to use it on my hands, and I just take a little bit. Oh my god, it's like milk. What the fuck? Ooh, I was not expecting that. So I just put it on my face like this. Okay, so I put the essence on. Now I'll just wait for it to kind of soak into the skin. You can like air your face a little bit if you want that. Just let it kind of, you know, soak in and like penetrate into your skin before you go ahead and use the next product. And I do this with every single skincare routine, every single product, anything. And now it's kind of a little bit tacky, and that's when I know it's the perfect timing to go in with the next product. Normally toners, serums and stuff like that, they do get a little bit tacky, and then when they get tacky, that's when you know it's the perfect timing to go in with the next product. I'm really surprised how good these products smell, because I wasn't expecting that. I don't know what I was expecting, but I was not expecting this smell. It smells so fresh, so clean. I love it. So next I'm gonna go in with the You Feel Me Hydro Cream Moisturizer. Ooh, okay, it's really creamy. It's giving me gel consistency. There it is. You guys see it's kind of really jelly. So I'm taking this on my hands. And all the products kind of smell the same, equally fresh. I really like that. This reminds me of, what does this remind me of? The consistency, not so much the smell, but the consistency reminds me a lot of the Clinique Moisture Surge cream. And like the finish too, the finishing of it, kind of. Okay, so this is the final result. My face feels really moisturized, really like glowy, and I feel like this cream is kind of the perfect base for your face primer, your makeup primer, or just, you know, your makeup in general if you don't use primer. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little skincare tutorial, skincare review. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.